Number 27, we're told to simplify the expression, and we have x squared y to the 6 z cubed over x to the 11th y z to the 4th. All right, so in this case, we are dividing, and so let's take this step by step. I'm going to go ahead and actually write this again off to the side here so it's a little bigger. Y to the 6th, z to the 3rd, over x to the 11th, y, z to the 4th. All right, so as I was saying, let's take this step by step. Let's just look at the x's first. And if we look at just the x's, we have x squared over x to the 11th. So what we ask ourselves is, all right, are we top heavy or are we bottom heavy? Meaning, is the exponent larger upstairs or downstairs? Well, we can see that it's larger downstairs. And how many is it larger by? Well, to find that out, we say, all right, 11 minus 2 gives us 9. And so it's larger by 9 downstairs. And so when we divide x squared divided by x11, we're going to say since it's bigger by 9 in the bottom, that's where we put our reduced answer, right? We're subtracting 11 minus 2, but because 11 was bigger downstairs, that's where the reduced answer will stay. We do the same thing with y's, so y to the 6 over y to the, and don't forget that's a positive 1. Are we top heavy or bottom heavy? Well, we're top heavy because 6 is bigger than positive 1. And how many are we bigger by upstairs? How many are we heavy by? Well, 6 minus 1 gives us 5. And so we say y to the 5th is upstairs. Again, 6 is bigger than 1, so that's where the reduced answer stays. Lastly, z cubed over z to the 4th. Are we top heavy or bottom heavy? Well, we're bottom heavy by how many? By 1, because 4 minus 3 gives us 1. That's 4 minus the 3 gives us 1. And since we were heavy downstairs, that's where we're going to stay. So we're going to have z to the 1st, but because it's a positive 1, we're not going to write that z to the 1st. We're not going to indicate the first power there. And so our final answer is y to the 5th over x to the 9th z.